Welcome back to the Freedom Farm. As you can see, today we got a parcel from Germany from our friends who send us donations for our guinea pigs. And my friend Heidi here was kind enough to pick it up for me. Thank you very much.
No worries at all.
I can't drive. They took my license away. But before we get to open our presents, we have to do the chores.
Absolutely.
And you're going to give me a hand and I'm going to teach you how to do it.
Sounds great.
We're going to wrangle a few goats.
Perfect.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
So, here's my guinea pig.
Okay.
We've got 20 guinea pigs here. This is the extra large boys.
Okay.
There's Rugby and Elvis.
Rugby and Elvis.
Yes, they are very big. They're too big to be with the small pigs. And what we're going to do, we're going to check their water. And if it's less than half, we fill it up.
How much do they drink a day, approximately?
Probably one pig would drink almost half. Maybe 400 mils a day when it's hot. And these pigs, they're drinking a lot right now because they've only got one bottle because I broke the other one. So we have to make sure that we always fill it up. This is the small and the medium male pigs.
And they are rescue pigs?
They're all rescue pigs. We don't breed them.
No?
But some of them were born here because their mothers arrived pregnant.
And they are all from the area?
Yes, they're all from local towns. One's okay. This is two girls. This is Bingo and Snap.
Bingo and Snap.
And I put them together because I thought they might be pregnant. That maybe they arrived pregnant, but so far, no babies.
And this contains how many? This
is 1,000 litre deposit. But right now, I think it's only got about 400. It's got about 400 in it. So. I saw that it might rain tomorrow. 1 or 2 millimeters. So we probably won't catch very much to fill the tank, but it will water all the plants.
Better than nothing.
No complaints.
No.
Great. And now we're going to go and check the chickens. I happen to know that there's a few eggs. Okay, now we're going to collect some eggs and let's have a look what we've got.
Oh, beautiful.
There we go, loads.
Loads of them. And warm.
Yes, extra good.
Newly laid. And these are very beautiful race marks.
The red ones is from a Dutch hen.
Okay.
I think it's a Marans. And the green eggs are from these black chickens here. And these are Spanish olive hens. Hi, girls. And that giant rooster there, that's Godzilla.
He's amazing.
Okay, now this is our rescue chickens. Hi, girls. Oh yeah, plenty of eggs.
Bill.
Boom.
Not as newly laid.
I hope you're hungry. So that's what you're having for breakfast, lunch and dinner tomorrow. Still got plenty of water in there. We'll check it again tomorrow. Give this a shake. Yes, they like that. This was the first chicken house that we ever made. It's not the best one.
When did you make this? When did you came here 2018?
And we sort of put the word about that we wanted some chickens. And then one day we got a phone call that was like, oh, we've got some chickens for you and they'll be there on Friday. And it was Wednesday.
My God.
So we had to build it out of what we had because we didn't have any money, and we built this whole thing just from junk that we found at the dump. So we've had it almost 4 years now and it still works great.
Hello, Molly. Did you come to help? Yeah? Okay, we do some work today also. Hey! Punk rockers.
Thirsty work being a pig.
Yeah. Just give me a second. Give me a sec. I'm so sorry. There we go.
That's Rugby. He's the biggest pig we've got.
Oh, there. Come on then.
Yum, yum. Sit. Oh, good boy. You're going to take it? Alright, now we're going to go. We've done the guinea pigs and the chickens, and now we're off to walk the goats. Have you walked the goats before?
Actually, I was as a child. I even come out for a walk. Yeah, there's a new kid in town. Who is that? Come on.
Okay, so we finished our chores. Now we're going to get our presents.
Exciting.
It's very exciting.
Ooh. Thank you. Dude, look at all this. Maxi Mix.
Very
Grass mix.
yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh, that's so cute.
This is a kletterzug.
Come again, please.
Oh, it's a climbing train.
I'll show you, but
Get ready for this.
oh, that is so exciting.
Oh, it doesn't want to come.
Oh, it's a little guinea
Yes!
pig shed.
They will love that one.
It looks like my workshop, but for guinea pigs.
Oh, look, it's got a little spider on it all the way from Germany.
Oh, that is so
Very
cool.
nice.
I like it. Now, it's so much like
Yeah, this is a good one. Thanks, guys.
amazing. Oh, that is a bit big for a guinea
Ooh,
pig.
I don't think this is for a guinea pig. I think that this is a jacket for a dog.
Yes,
But
I'm looking at it.
I wonder if it would fit a baby goat. Is that what you're thinking?
That's exactly what I'm thinking.
This is a perfect size for a baby goat.
That's a perfect winter baby goat coat.
Sometimes when the babies are born in the winter, they get cold. For the first 3 days, they can't make their own temperature. Perfect. Plenty of winter wear.
Oh, wow.
No cold animals this year. Oh, that one's super cute. This one I think is probably going to fit you.
Oh, wow.
You love a bit of neon. Oh, wow. The neighborhood dogs are going to become very well dressed. Dog leads. Yes. That's what we need.
Yes.
Long, super long ones.
Oh, little tiny ones.
Little tiny ones. Hello.
Looking for the kittens.
Very, very nice. We always need dog
What's the
leads.
dog?
We have 6 dogs and 2 dog leads. This is a really long, thin one, like maybe for training.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think maybe you can untangle it because I think this one has a harness.
I got it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh,
This one
wow.
is like a full ski suit for dogs. Yes.
It does snow.
Dude, this is great.
Gosh.
Yes, because our parcels get delivered to Arca, which is the dog rescue, and because they also get donations. And every time Nicholas goes to pick up a parcel, I always ask him to bring me a new dog, but so far it hasn't happened. Guys, look at this.
That is amazing.
That is so cute. This one looks really
Oh,
cozy.
yeah.
This kind of reminds me of when we used to go to the Dogs Trust open day. They would have a giant mountain of dog clothes,
Yeah.
and everything was 50p. And we picked up some bargains from that
I
pile.
can imagine.
There's a dog bed.
This one's like a little puffer jacket for dogs.
Yeah.
I love it.
I'm not sure how these are supposed to work. Loops.
Yes,
It might
this
be
is
a double
exciting.
or triple lead or something. For walking several tiny
Oh,
dogs
for
at
like
the same
for all
time.
5 of your chihuahuas.
Mhm.
Okay, here, this
Oh,
is some
it's
good stuff. We've got some multivitamins. You can put those on there. We've got My Little Sweetheart red berry treats. Oh, it's like a chewing stick. Very nice. Because, you know, bunny rabbits, they have to chew all the time. This is the good stuff right here. This is what makes the guinea pigs really sing.
Yum.
Pellets. They love this stuff.
Chamomile. Oh.
Yes. This is so clever. Thank you so much. We've got a little syringe. We go through so many of these in baby goat season.
Yeah.
A little tick for removing ticks.
Yes.
Great. You can have a look at that. You love
Please,
a first aid kit.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, this one is a loofah. That's
Wow,
cool.
that's
Look
so
at that. Oh yeah.
Nice. Oh wow, look at that high vis stuff.
This is some. Oh, this is cute. This is a harness and a matching dog lead. The tiniest dog. So cute. This is like my favorite color. Raspberry.
Oh.
Not red.
I'm so sorry. You read my mind.
Look at this.
Oh,
Boom.
wow.
Extra safety.
I like the carabiners. These are going to be good.
Very nice. And now this, I've been saving until the end. You're going to flip. Get ready for this.
Oh man.
Show us. No way.
Oh. That is
It's a guinea
amazing.
pig palace ramp.
It's like a little guinea pig tower.
It's
castle.
so nice. Oh my
Oh,
god.
it lost a little bit.
Yeah,
It's a
we can
rabbit.
fix it.
That's so cute.
Look.
Oh yeah, there it is.
Don't forget, it travelled all the way from Germany.
Yeah. No,
We
that's-
just stick it
I
back
don't think
on.
the guinea pigs will mind.
Very,
Love it.
very cool.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes! I'm so pleased. Thank you so much to our friends, our sponsors at Hundeschnauzern in Germany. It means so much to us to get these care parcels. Thank you ever so much.
Oh, yeah.
Oh wow.